welcome to Wazobia TV. And I know as we do now, Bubbles.
Yeah.
Yes.
All these broke boys there when they come back constant.
I don't just understand. They just stand they look us, but they don't even get money to buy. Tunde already. If you not get money, not they come this buy again. Tunde already, they tell you, not they come this buy again if you not get money to buy. When they do. You know what? I come the back on the form assistant. You want big boy.
And the girl where he carry. Blast say he correspond with this topic we want to talk today.
You know that kind of thing.
And you know what thing they do? You don't leave girlfriend for Donna. You go they point us as we drink. They tell the girl, say, "Oh my God,
this girlfriend." I shall where he carry. He say,
"He carry a shower come the back." He say, "Carry girlfriend come the back."
Carry beer like Reverend Kings.
I'm telling you, yes, my country people. They gonna not verse now. Somebody who can come up for the band.
Tunde no be somebody.
Tunde already. Tunde already. Yes, my country people. As usual, we carry the better matter come given them. We want to tell you now today where the matter is very spluffic. What's the difference between a shower and Rosge?
Now this topic is small.
It's wait.
Because a lot of people don't know the difference. So now we carry the surgeon now today. What's the difference between a shower and Rosge?
Quickly, from the best of my knowledge, now, Rosge, let me start with Rosge. Rosge, and those ones will say, they school, their papa, they send them money, but they won't meet up to those guests where they wear the Brazilian, Italian, Peruvian. So, their friends, then go call them, hello, Tracy, get one guy, we come town, no. You get money, you say they like guests like you.
You know.
I don't know whether you go like those ones that runs girls. They'll go do that. Then a shower. Now those ones, when we say you go club, they know the inside club. They ask I stand, use their body, lean
you
for
don't need
motor.
to go club, then they for street. Like why not? Where the way they like go. You understand that? Why not?
No. Those ones, now when they ask where they like to go, I won't describe. In fact, even get 3 versions. They will come get prostitute.
Experience man.
Prostitute. Now
please help us. What
prostitute? Now those ones we say they get their own house where they did line.
Hey,
they can't get cotton.
Hey.
They can't carry stool sit down for the front. Those ones be
hey, this man is talking out of experience. Yes, our social media portal. Our social media portal, they run through your screen, making the followers the talk sharply on top Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, even our website. They follow us, they talk. Me with the matter. My guy Shakara, they talk out of experience. He say he get brothel.
No. I know Shakara is a good experience because in life you need to be experienced. And I like say because like you now, no girl can confuse you. You understand?
Now, when you get one factor of Rose girl, they tell you price immediately when you call her. When you say, your friend gave me a number. What's up? She know they tell you say my money is
No.
And I just call.
And they are on the risky pass.
So what I don't do in the money, God go punish you. Can't go give her 3,000.
Hey!
I don't understand.
It don't happen to me or no be like I don't know. Say the girl na either runs girl or na normal girl we say I don't meet before. Visit my friend. Now in the morning when you won't come, we can't tell me say I not me even nice like come on take 5K for just like a big boy just pay your way and they get tell me say what's this 5K I say what's happen the girl say no you can't try but now wahala. When the girl won't raise my flat screen, now so I need out. That one I don't say.
This.
Now the way you gonna say Ross girl,
because he gets. Say me. I don't go lie. I don't know the difference.
Oh, shut up.
Shut up.
Don't worry. I don't know the difference.
How many days in the whole of last week for this bar? Where they carry? Other way they carry now waiting.
Those ones where they come visit me for this bar since last week.
Thank you.
My friends now.
Any girl.
Now your papa sister children.
Now my friends them.
My brother. Any girl where they come say they import. They come from Enugu, come Lagos, come visit you. That's what that runs girl be that. You understand?
No, I don't know that one where they talk about.
You don't know.
Intercontinental
babes. Today they are in Lagos, tomorrow they are in Abuja.
Showman. I carry one girl with the time motor they go. As we they pass Rita Lori, all the way all those girls they stand. Then she go say, who are these girls? I say, now shower girls. So she goes, go for B. So girl will stoop so low, follow a man, sleep with a man to collect money. Why? Now we reach house, we run to the happy. In the morning,
you happy?
In the morning, I can't give her 2,000 for transport. She can't say, I don't understand. 2,000. I say, no. You know, because you are not Ashawo. See, who tell you? Those guys you see yesterday, I was complaining. I am one of them.
My friend always say, if any girl when you give transport in the morning, I said, no. He said, no. He said, no, as long as she collect money from you. But transport.
But it be like say with everything one and they talk. So it be like say the normal runs guests now the ones who say they will just make phone call. You know, no business for the stand for road.
Let me explain this to you. It is hard for a runs girl to be an Ashawo. But an Ashawo can be a runs girl.
In disguise.
In disguise.
Please, can you expatiate? Let me speak
because
English.
An Ashawo is the girl.
No, you know to sham up. Call and wear.
Now you want to explain how I explain. I say an Ashawo.
Call and wear.
Okay,
first Ashawo no. Sorry.
So this accord don't do you.
Ashawo no.
An Ashawo.
Listen, you want to call it like flavor. Yeah.
An ash is the one that you see on the streets. When he's standing, they see you pass, and then you stop and they tell you, so what do you have for me for the night? A herb. And once they ask you, what do you have for me? You all know that is a shower.
But so many babes say when we say you go talk to for phone, you go see ask you the same thing. What do you have for me?
Those ones.
Normal babes say you go jam. No, normal girls say when we say you go jam, you go follow them talk. You go say let's hook up.
They want.
You go tell you say okay, what do you have for me?
For phone. That na runs girl. They know they see those ones anyhow for.
Anyhow, don't they come out?
No. I get babe. I get one babe where na runs girl. Where gets every state she get person. She get. In fact, the last time where I call am, as now my friend who we call am call your day. Next thing she receive phone call. The guy say in the Port Harcourt. She say, "Ay, Emeka, this be pay o. Emeka, don't go to Port Harcourt." He say make I arrange for am. The next thing na phone o. She call, as she call the girl, wetin I dey hear for the phone na 30K o. I call the fear. I say, hey,
30K for wetin?
Where this girl want me to give 30K? How much? Wait me, wait no, I just they with.
Ugo.
Let me say,
see, wait.
Shame they catch me.
But to avoid falling victim of all this, Ashawo, it gets signed to know. You know, Ashawo they embarrass person way.
Of course, why not?
If you know, if one naira come out from Ashawo money, and Ashawo, no matter how much you pay Ashawo, she must sit there and say, "Me put transport on."
Yeah.
So even though you pay Ashawo 20,000,
yeah,
you say, "Give me
so
for my transport to come."
So
wait, money what they give you.
Shakara, all these things where they tell us for this bat today is from experience.
My brother,
Not lie.
No. But before I change,
life we talk about. Not from experience.
I visa Shakara.
No.
I visa Shakara.
Wait, make
now this
wait. No
boy.
kid the gist
you know what? You know how to tell me Shakara.
Man, hear your own today.
Now for road, I just dey drive. Now is the pass. Why not? I won't go eat Indomie.
Say they pass.
I dey pass now.
He come carry through.
No, I dey pass.
If you want to talk the main truth.
I dey pass this Shakara for. I said this car, this guy where they stand here for road. He just stand lean for his car. I never buy this in Jeep. He just dey lean cross his leg. Now I say this guy look for now. Shakara, how far? He say show man up. I say yeah. He say no, don't just dey stop. I say this girl. I say the girl she want help. I say which help for night?
Where you go the next?
I remember with somebody go for street. No, go see what our guys got to talk. What be the difference between Ashawo and runs girl? When they come back, now see Bobo Zian for Wazobia TV. No go anywhere.
Take it.
Oh boy, sick question.
Ashawo and Runs girl. I'm not sure say different there.
Runs girl and Ashawo wetin be different.
They are almost the same.
Difference there between the two.
All of them they do the same business.
Runs girl dey class for her own runs niche. If you dey her papa house still dey do runs. Ashawo hand cutting new as they go. That's what's up.
Runs girl, now people they stand for bus stop.
Runs girl better pass, but even if say Runs girl still dey bad because him they hide and they do pass person with hand cutting. You know as they go.
They Ashawo, now those ones where they there for house, Charlotte. Now what me they call them.
Ashawo they always dey one particular point. They making money. You understand? But Runs girl if he be students, if he be anybody, so that they always like us too.
Nothing different within Runs girl and Ashawo.
Runs girl better pass Ashawo.
They are doing the same work.
The Runs girl they get package pass Ashawo.
runs girl and Ashawo, two of them they make money. So the only difference where I see be say na runs and Ashawo be the different names where I know. But as far as I concern, money 92 of them they make, so difference no dey per se. Now just to change their names, and all are the same.
Yes, so now welcome back to Wazobia TV and this one now Bobozian. If you just join us, you never miss at all, but you don't miss shaking it time.
You don't miss.
Matter what we talk about today, showman.
Miss so because they don't
They
hear
don't hear the beginning.
breakdown.
This you don't miss. If you talk about that night where you carry a shower nearly finish you with bottle. You fit talk this kind of thing.
You know the highest disgrace.
So now you carry
You fit talk this kind of thing.
Ugo, you know the highest embarrassment of Ashawo, whatever say. You know my friend Emeka Smith. You know say he just married.
So now Emeka you want cast now?
No. Listen, I will talk about. I'm a guy now. We stay together. Listen, man, Emeka since way back. Now so one day he come carrying wife. You know say he don't marry. His wife come from Ireland. He come carrying wife. They go out. So that night they call the pass. As they pass, wait till this place for Keja that road. Allen. As they pass, next me stop by suya.
Hey!
I think just for me by suya. Then some of the ashy then they look. I don't be Amy be that. Amy can't be that. Now so they come the car. Then they call look at Amy. Then they call the looking wife. Amy now why you don't carry another shower to do? Hey! Over.
Hey, you know why go casting said go drive gun stop.
Might not go now. Might not go. You don't carry another shower today.
I get one bad experience too with this thing. No be I go Abuja. So I don't deal with my guy. We don't the popular place for Abuja. What do they call him? If you don't go that place, you know that you never go in. I go remember him after. I dey inside though. We don't drink. Maybe like 3 o'clock. Me now. If you see me for club, I go just comport, sit down, put my hand like say, and that if you enter that place, babes will just come sit down with you. Crystal Lounge, thank you.
Okay.
Babes come sit down with me. I don't know which one be a shower. My friend will tell me, say drink on, show man drink. I just drink. The next thing, I don't knock. Now as we reach hotel, I see myself with girl. Money can't reach. I don't know how. I don't know how it happen. Money now not reach now. Now the girl. And meanwhile, now my friend get the hotel. Me, I don't realize say it's my hotel. I didn't even feel like say. So now the guy don't believe say this guy get bar. And the way I did for the bar, I don't cross hand. So yeah, I come out 5K. I think now like 7 I give the girl. What the girl around? The guy say if I don't get 20K, she know they go. I just saying that joke. When the girl switch mode, carry my phone, drop for ground, say she won't matter. Now I begin the beg am. Now as I give the girl money, now the girl they advise me now say next time. When you enter a bar, don't keep your hand as if you can give girl 1 million. Man, you know? And they get the advice me.
And the way they take post.
What do you post?
They are confident. I suppose they get one kind of confidence.
If you don't be without telling me how much can you give me, nothing.
You know, say at first, if they first meet you, they will calm down, follow you down, eat, drink. But once you don't do cranking,
I mean, I don't always.
Once
I
you
nice
don't
to every
crank,
girl.
you
I
are
don't I don't nice to everybody. I come feel say nah, you know. I did drink, no worry, eat.
Remind me another day who come this bar. More talk about one particular kind of guest. When people never really notice, they notice runs guests, ashawo, prostitutes. It gets some sets. They call it the society guests.
Hey!
Society guests, they not be runs guests. Remind me.
No, not runs guests, but now
highest level.
that one another matter for another day. Our social media portals, they run through your screen, I beg. Make una they send in the messages, sharply. Make we they follow on the yarn. Make una follow stock. What you not think? Which one better pass? What will be the difference? We better. Which one better?
No one way better.
No one makes
I like what that guy said. That guy said, "Is it difference? No day. All of them now for the money that they look for."
No to me.
Where we don't go streets, where we do CC opinion. When we come back, we continue the matter. I see Bubbles on top of Wazobia TV.
I want to hear the ladies.
Yes, sir.
Once girl and a shower.
There's really no difference.
Once girl, you know, say they just call them for phone, say like person need them, they go meet them. But I share one, they just do for road, they do all those kind of stuff. So I think one girl better pass a show. No one better, none.
All of them are the same thing, all of them get level. Not the same name, the other one are cheap, the other one are expensive.
Once girl just be like say, as in they get organization where we say, if you want to do your thing, there's someone you have to go to, like an agent. But Ashawo, they stand for street now, you know.
Runs girl, na packaging. their own are sophisticated ashawo. Why the regular ashawo are the peanuts girls on the streets, the regular people, but the sophisticated one are the ones who go dress like office people, then go office. You go to say now marketing they can't do or something else, but their own runs now. Sophisticated one. So now just packaging be the different.
For the ashewo and the runs girl, it's the same thing. Ashewo be saying, "Oh, right in a house they then stay. They come meet them for there." But runs girl, if you see them every day with a laptop now.
With runs, if they don't want to make money, ashewo na the same thing. They don't want to make money. Only say runs girl, if he just coordinate himself, they pretend say she be student. But ashawo don't declare in ministry, say na ashawo job they do.
So I think sophisticated one, they go meet better people and the kind of money we then go give them and the kind of things. So I think sophisticated one, yeah.
There's no difference. It's just that one is executive, the other one no be executive. The other one gets paid more money and the other one, but there's no difference. It's the same thing. Abeg, no difference for there. All of them are the same thing now. Not the same thing.
You know, say wetin they pay me pass for this matter and say everybody talks, say them be the same thing.
No, but one girl,
their financial status.
That's
different.
That girl, that small one talk say runs girl get their organization.
Yes.
Where they like agents.
Mama, we be saying get everybody number.
We get everybody number. I no be like you, if fool this Lagos. But you go see one girl they camp over. It did Lekki down here. Yeah, no. They will camp over 50 girls. Now one person. Now him be the person will get all the number. Just say one do party, call one of them, you go come on everybody for you. They come them, they come pay their rent every Monday. Every Monday you go hustle 10K, you go pay as rent. I didn't know that because
when you go again, I beg. You say you don't go help your guy now. I see now to make me a time for this guy. Where you don't go enjoy. You know go carry your guys along.
You know how I take no. You know how they know this. I don't go enjoy anything.
I don't say you go. They know
you know they chop them there.
But if you don't know the
you
place,
know they chop them there.
Go there.
You know they chop them there. Now I say now from that place, then they sleep. You know if people enter that place, the place don't make sense. If they Oniru too, then they for Oniru again. Hi. Then they I don't see because you know see. I like to do survey. You understand? And now why I like wetin that girl talk. That girl say
since when they do survey, never survey where people they do Bible study.
Now evangelism where we go, where I take discover this thing.
It be like say when this boy come Lagos, na shower and runs girls place he first do survey.
No, this is not new. No, na new discovery.
You have to look for somewhere camp your head.
Now there it start to the camping here because I don't understand. Lekki, Oniru, Aja. Only you
say no. Man, tell you. Luckily for me, because I did very nice to ladies. You understand? And I can't meet wrong people. But I don't feel saying wrong person. I like when that girl say runs girl. Now person will be say no. He say Ashawo don't declare in ministry. So but he say runs girl fit repent tomorrow. Yes. You understand? He fit born again. But Ashawo he had though. That's
you know why I even like runs girl. Runs girl they depend on their mood. Not be every day. No be every day. Sometimes runs girl they all hold like small money like this. You call and say one guy, they say, I beg, I know be a shower. You understand? But it depend on their mood.
Yes, and Rose girl sometimes, if Rose girl like you, if he fall for you, he go just come, they give you everything you want for free. He knows say this one, he know to want anything from him, you understand? But yes, now Rose girl, they Ashawo they hear say you want say love. Love is not money, but Rose girl fit say you understand? Say I like.
You know what I like for this topic. Two of you are speaking from experience.
Because you don't want to talk. You know why? You don't want to talk. Don't worry. Who they look us? Who they look us?
Runs girls at least sometimes they do bonanza.
Yes.
You are my guy. But Ashawo no get public holiday. You know they do bonanza. You know they do promo. At least we're not supposed to do like promo. Say carry two, get one free. You know, do something.
No, I don't do one run.
Now let them be the business people when they do promo, and I'm angry.
I don't even want runs, girl. Around 3 or 4 a.m. She just call me and show me where he did. Me I know I can't shock. Say this girl call me. She I can't tell her where. She can't call my room. The girl they travel that morning. She don't want sleep. So she said she don't sleep. She they go for like 6 months. Maybe she just come, give me. I suck. I say the thing for free. You know, I don't like free things. So I don't say no. I mean, the fear.
Nah, lie, you lie. Nah, lie, you lie.
I don't do anything.
Nah, lie.
From this thing where Showman talk, advice to Showman and all the guys, no matter who get, we no be obeyed. If you crank, drop something at peace.
No, don't be saying
500.
Now, yes.
You know why? Because they say now 2 quick now they keep man for this.
No,
life.
I gave the girl 1.5 for transport.
Hey, man, you know, who now walking me for this place today, but I know we'll agree that would me. Maybe we give una that segment over they call what don't spoil. Wait, maybe go. As I not get anything to say today, I just look 2 of them for this bar. So I beg what don't spoil. Maybe can I go? Yes. I like that. Says I just lounge.
I like this word.
This word does spoil. Makes sense. Where?
Takara, you feel the least it is where they play when you
small. When I'm small. I play a lot. All those ensemble I play, but my favorite play that time, now Mama and Papa.
Mommy and daddy. Police and thief.
No, mommy and daddy. Mommy and daddy. Say.
Why they talking like that?
Come, let's play. Come,
mommy and daddy.
I am daddy.
I'm
mommy.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. Mommy and daddy.
Then get on where we always cook food. We'll go
cook. You know, carry sand.
We would not go. Me. I don't know.
These children these days, no they play.
Civilization don't spoil the whole thing.
You remember 10-10? Then you go come draw some boxes. You can't do. You can't put one leg. Come to a head. Open leg. Then I remember my mother told me that she will buy me.
That one says me, but too small.
If I make good, yeah. So we play with me. Come back and play with me. Come be your darling friend.
You see,
new millennium children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Yeah.
You know why they look you? You know why they look you?
Why?
Because where they raised me up from, I know come up. I just grew up on my own.
You just grow on my own.
Yeah. Because we don't even go better school to even know this kind of our own. I back on. New money, it don't come. I buy Gary 10 kobo. I give Mary to cook up. Mary cook up, it no sweet. I beat Mary, she no cry. I kill Mary, she no that. Which can Mary be this now? Amina Toro, a lazy girl, a bushy girl, a baby yaga.
I beg, I don't say as it go. Yes, we don't talk say. We don't talk say make children don't play, they don't use the new gadgets and everything.
Now don't miss the fun of
then they miss the fun, Make when I even see they allow them they play small.
After when you go put your leg inside sand, come build house, come build castle.
You know when
no space again. Now as break time, children know they come out go play now. For Lagos, where the space dey?
Oh yeah, where the space.
Even when we say they don't build
somebody go use 1 2-bedroom flats, take do full school.
I tell you.
You know,
where they want to play from.
He goes and take do full school.
No play again.
But meanwhile, the enjoyment with some of them they enjoy now. We no enjoy them.
We not enjoy them.
Computer games,
true.
All those many things. You see, Junior, go into your room. When was small, where you see room?
Where you see the room?
When all of them are there for one room.
My brother, let me tell you, no matter how you feel in enjoyment, those experiences, it can never be compared. That's why person where they go private school, no be the same person where go university.
Public school.
You understand? Because university, now experience now. Private school they go tell you know if you use phone, you know if you do this one, you know if you use one, you know if even try get maybe they hear you. They don't know experiences, my brother.
It is key. But I don't hear everything where we can concern you now today. That one are the word of those sport where we can give on. I beg. We're gonna say allow our children go back to the days of old where we do 10-10, we do color, we do ayo, police and thief. You know, all those kind of plays where we play. But the matter where we carry son now today, now the difference between Runs Girl and Chakra.
Difference there.
There's a huge gap between a shop and Runs Girl. So when you the carry girl, know some of the symptoms we don't call today.
Yes.
Runs Girl, they get more respect, and Runs Girl they give free sometimes. So man, don't talk too much because.
So that's so this topic takes you will not retweet too.
My brother.
What we go do? We say we'll get part 2. For this topic because people don't send the message say we try we'll get part 2.
Okay, see what I want to do since we don't read their tweets. So the people will send tweets for this topic.
Yeah,
we go pick one person We be saying sweet where.
We will come inside studio here.
Come studio with us for our Christmas edition.
Our Christmas edition. Yes, na so. Our
Okay,
Christmas edition they come. Shakara don't tell you na sharply. We go pick one person from this today topic. We say send tweet. We ginger us. We trigger our medulla.
Very sweet one, oh.
Very sweet one.
Very sweet.
And we go invite you. May you come follow us. Chook mouth for some matter we will get for inside our studio here. And you go win some kind of things for inside. And from all of us for inside this bar, from Showman.
Respect to all the Ross girls.
We say good night.
And their showers.
God bless you.